remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is turned off. And keep the aisles clear of all carry-on items. Take a moment to check your seat back pocket for any personal items, like tablets and cell phones. When you open the overhead compartment, be careful, as items may have moved in flight. And thank you for choosing American Airlines.
It is with pleasure that we welcome you on to Philadelphia, where the local time is 10:19. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened, and we ask you to please keep the aisle clear of all carrying items until we park at the gate and the seatbelt sign has been turned off. Please take a moment to check into your seat pocket for any personal articles such as cell phones, tablets, wallets, passports, any other valuables that you may have put in the seat back pocket or left on the floor area around you, as you will not be able to retrieve those belongings after you do leave the aircraft. We ask you to please use care and caution after we reach the gate and the seatbelt sign has been turned off. When you're open overhead compartments, carry-ons may have shifted during landing. We'll be arriving in Terminal C this evening. Your arrival gate will be C24, and baggage claims are going to be carousel number 19. On behalf of American Airlines, our one partners, as well as your Philadelphia, Charlotte, and Dallas base crew, we'd like to thank you all for choosing to fly with us this evening. We hope you all enjoy in the future American flight.